Welcome to the another video. On this video we are going to talk all about hacking. Hacking is a term that is often used in the media to refer to any sort of illegal or nefarious activity involving computers. However, the reality of hacking is much more complex and different. In the broadest sense, hacking refers to the practice of using technical knowledge and skills to solve problems or achieve goals. This can include everything from finding vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks to developing new software or building innovative hardware. Hacking has a long and storied history, with roots dating back to the early days of computing. It has evolved over the years, driven by the ingenuity of hackers and the rapid pace of technological change. Today, hacking is a multifaceted field that encompasses a wide range of activities, both legal and illegal. As with any field, there are those in the hacking community who use their skills for nefarious purposes. These are known as black hat hackers, and they often engage in activities such as stealing sensitive data or disrupting systems for personal gain. On the other hand, there are also ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, who use their skills to help organizations and individuals secure their systems and protect against malicious attacks. In this video, we will explore the history of hacking, various types of hacking, types of hackers, and the ways in which individuals and organizations can defend against hacking attacks. We will also discuss the ethical considerations of hacking and the importance of using these skills responsibly. So let's get started. The history of hacking can be traced back to the 1950s, when the first computers were being developed. As computers became more prevalent and their capabilities increased, a small community of individuals with an interest in computers and a desire to push their limits emerged. These early hackers were often motivated by curiosity and a desire to learn, and they would spend long hours tinkering with computer systems and writing code. One of the earliest known hackers was a man named John Draper, also known as Captain Crunch. In the 1970s, Draper discovered that a toy whistle given away in boxes of Captain Crunch cereal could produce a tone at exactly 2600 Hz, which was the same frequency used by phone companies to signal that a call was ending. Draper used this discovery to build a blue box, a device that could mimic the tone and allow users to make free long-distance calls. As the internet and personal computers became more widely available in the 1980s and 1990s, the hacking community grew and diversified. Hackers began to explore new areas such as network security and web hacking, and the term hacker became associated with a wide range of activities, both legal and illegal. Today, the field of hacking is more complex and diverse than ever, with hackers using their skills for a wide range of purposes, including everything from developing new software and building innovative hardware to finding vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks and helping organizations secure their systems against attacks. There are many different types of hacking, and the term hacking can be used to describe a wide range of activities. Some common types of hacking include web hacking. This refers to the practice of using technical knowledge to find vulnerabilities in web-based applications and systems. Web hackers may use a variety of tools and techniques, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting, XSS, to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data or disrupt the operation of a website. Network hacking. This involves using technical knowledge to find vulnerabilities in network systems and infrastructure. Network hackers may use tools such as packet sniffers and network scanners to identify weaknesses in a network and exploit them to gain access to sensitive data or disrupt service. Social engineering. This type of hacking involves using psychological manipulation to trick individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that they otherwise would not. Social engineering attacks can take many forms, such as phishing emails or phone calls, and can be difficult to defend against because they rely on human weakness rather than technical vulnerabilities. Wireless hacking. This refers to the practice of finding vulnerabilities in wireless networks and using them to gain unauthorized access to data or disrupt service. Wireless hackers may use tools such as WADrivers and wireless sniffers to identify and exploit weaknesses in wireless networks. Physical security hacking. This type of hacking involves finding vulnerabilities in physical security systems, such as lock systems or security cameras, and using them to gain unauthorized access to a location or to disrupt service. Hardware hacking. This refers to the practice of modifying hardware or building new hardware in order to achieve a specific goal. Hardware hackers may use their skills to build custom devices or to find new uses for existing hardware. There are several types of hackers, and the type of hacker someone is often depends on their motivation and the methods they use during hacking the system. Here are a few common types of hackers. White hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who use their technical knowledge to find vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks with the goal of improving security. White hat hackers may work for organizations to help secure their systems, or they may be independent researchers who report vulnerabilities to the affected parties. Black hat hackers. These are hackers who use their technical knowledge for nefarious purposes, such as stealing sensitive data or disrupting systems. Black hat hackers may be motivated by financial gain, political ideology, or personal ambition. Grey hat hackers. These are hackers who fall somewhere between white hat and black hat. Grey hat hackers may find vulnerabilities in systems and disclose them to the affected parties, but they may also exploit those vulnerabilities for personal gain or to prove a point. Script kiddies. These are individuals who lack the technical knowledge and skills of more advanced hackers, but who use pre-written scripts and tools to attack computer systems. Script kiddies are often motivated by a desire for notoriety or the thrill of causing disruption. Nation-state hackers. These are hackers who are sponsored or employed by a government to carry out cyber attacks against other countries or organizations. Nation-state hackers may be motivated by political or strategic goals. There are several methods that can be used to protect against hacking, and the most effective approach often involves a combination of different measures. Some common methods used to protect against hacking include firewalls. A firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Firewalls can be hardware-based, software-based, or a combination of both. They are often used to prevent unauthorized access to a private network and can be configured to allow or block specific types of traffic. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is designed to detect and remove malware from a computer or network. It works by scanning files and identifying those that match known patterns of malware. Antivirus software can be configured to run regular scans and to update automatically with the latest malware definitions. Two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is a security process in which a user provides two different authentication factors to verify their identity. This can include something the user knows, such as a password, something the user has, such as a security token or mobile phone, or something the user is, such as a fingerprint. Two-factor authentication can provide an additional layer of security by making it more difficult for attackers to gain access to sensitive systems. Software and system updates. Keeping software and systems up to date is important because it can help to fix vulnerabilities and prevent attackers from exploiting those vulnerabilities. It is important to regularly update operating systems, applications, and firmware to ensure that the latest security patches are applied. User education. Educating users about good security practices can also help to prevent attacks. This can include training users to recognize and avoid phishing attacks, to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, and to be cautious when handling sensitive data. We've learned about the various types of hacking, including web hacking, network hacking, social engineering, wireless hacking, physical security hacking, and hardware hacking. We've also discussed the different types of hackers, including white hat, black hat, grey hat, script kiddies, and nation-state hackers. We've covered some of the common methods used to protect against hacking, such as firewalls, antivirus software, and two-factor authentication, and emphasized the importance of keeping software and systems up to date as well as the role of user education in preventing attacks. It's important to remember that hacking can have both positive and negative implications, and it's crucial to think critically about the ethical implications of these activities. Those interested in learning more about the field may want to consider online courses related to cybersecurity or cybersecurity certification programs. There are many resources available for those who want to learn more about hacking and how to use these skills responsibly. If you want any other video dedicated to the topic, then mention the topic in the comment section. We will try to make a video on that topic. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the video whenever we upload it.